ATG Pharma was originally founded in 2001 under the name of Advanced Technologies Group. My original vision was to develop a full solution provider for the health science industry, offering equipment validation, system design, the sale of pharmaceutical-grade equipment, and the development of a contract packaging company that would allow us to showcase our equipment, as well as give us a platform to beta test all new innovations. Since then, we have expanded and upgraded the RoboCap's fill options to include capsules, bottles, tinctures, vape cartridges, and recently, filling options for cosmetic, creams, and gummy filling.
As a company, ATG, we've really prided ourselves in aftermarket support and customer support, all the way from how they interact with our sales staff to new clients being onboarded through our client success program. We've really focused on any kind of interaction we have with our clients. We want it to be very professional and at the utmost quality.
We try and capture what pain points are for our customers, whether that's on the filling side, capping side, workflow side. How can we use automation to make our customers more profitable? And ultimately the end use, would we use the equipment ourselves and would we be satisfied with the workflow solution that we provide?
Having a machine shop at ATG gives us the ability to design, prototype, and produce all of our components in-house. Same-day prototyping is something we have been getting really good at, and it gives us an advantage as it expedites the design process of our equipment. Additionally, it also lets us control our inventory, so we're not relying on external sources for our machine parts. And it also cuts back on manufacturing costs.
Another big push here at ATG is the expansion or the growth of our executive team here. We're really starting to look at external help and factors to really help us improve our operations or our sales, our departments as a whole. One example of extending the executive team is we're now currently looking to hire on an operations consultant or advisor. That way we can kind of bounce ideas back and forth and use industry standards and other manufacturing businesses that we can take on to our own practices. And again, it all comes down to improving the lead times and reducing them so that we can get them out as quick as possible, but also increase the quality that comes with that.
My favorite part about working for ATG is definitely the team's culture and the relationship that we have between the employees.
Since the first day I came in, everyone was very friendly. It really made it feel like ATG was home.
Whether you're a production technician or one of the executives on the team, everybody is comfortable enough to have a conversation with anyone in the office. You can sit down at the lunchroom table with anybody and get to know them, learn more about them, ask them about what they do. The relationships between the staff is deeper than just a professional relationship. We like to know about each other, get to know one another, and build stronger bonds so that we're all more passionate about what we do and the way that we perform our role within the company for a greater success.